In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Softr. We'll start right at the Softr application's dashboard, where you'll spin up your first project. From the dashboard, create a new app. You'll immediately see options for how you want to begin, and this is where Softr's flexibility shines. If you want full control and a blank canvas, choose Start from Scratch. This is great when you already know the pages, data, and workflows you want to build. If you'd rather speed things up, pick Start with a template and browse the library. Templates come with pages and blocks pre-configured, so you can customize instead of building everything manually. You can also let Softr help shape your app by clicking Generate with AI. Type a clear prompt describing your use case, your audience, and the features you need. The more specific you are, the better the initial structure will be. If you're browsing templates and want to see everything available, switch the filter to All so you don't miss any options. With your app created, it's time to set up your data. Head to Databases from the dashboard. Here, you can start from scratch to define tables and fields exactly as you want, or select a database template to get a ready-made structure. If you have existing data, choose Import Your Data and upload a CSV file. Make sure your CSV has clear column headers, consistent formats, and no stray empty rows. That small prep step saves time during mapping. When you're ready, create a new database to store the imported or designed tables that will power your app's lists, detail views, and forms. Next, add logic and automation with workflows. Open workflows and either start from scratch to build your own triggers and actions or use a workflow template to jumpstart common scenarios like creating records, sending notifications, or syncing updates. Give workflows clear names, test them with sample data, and verify the trigger conditions so they run exactly when you expect. Finally, connect your favorite tools through integrations. Go to Integrations, use the search bar to find the service you need, then click Connect New. Select the integration and continue to authorize the connection. Review the permissions requested and confirm they match what your app requires. Once connected, you can reference these integrations inside workflows and app blocks to extend functionality without custom code. That's the core flow. Create an app, design or import your data, automate with workflows, and connect integrations. Use Scratch builds for total control, templates for speed, and AI generation when you want a head start with structure and content.